Hi guys, this is just a quick video to show you how to use the ArtistRegister command and what it does for you. Alright, step 1, you need the artist role. You just run !artist in reception to get the artist role. There we go. When you have the artist role, you open up this channel called Artist Corner. In here, you're only in here with artists. Then what you do is !artistRegister, followed by the information you want to post. So I'm gonna say, I do the draw. Run. Your information has been added, thank you and good luck. So now, I'm missing a step here deliberately, just to show you something. We go back to reception and the user goes, find artists. And we go here, and no artists available. That's because we don't have the open commissions role. So now we go back to the artist corner and put in !open commissions. And now we have the open commissions role. So now we'll go back here and we'll pretend to be the user and go find artists. And this time, I appear, because I have the open commissions role. Now what if I want to edit this data? Because I forgot to put in a link, and I want to change it. So what we do there, is we go back to Artist Corner. We put in again, ArtistRegister, followed by your updated information. And that's that. And then we go, enter. Your information has been added. Now when we go back to reception, put in find artists. The bot now DMs us our updated information with a link. And you can click the link. It does work. It goes to a YouTube video that I probably can't play. Wasn't the smartest idea. But it does work. So now you're busy with commissions and you don't want it to show up. Obviously what you do there is you post open commissions again to take away your opens commission role. The bot won't tell any users that you have anything there. So now we have to talk about ping commissioners and the commissions role. Anyone can come in here, go to reception and type in !commissioner, and they'll get the commissioner role. Any artist can ping anyone with the commissioner role with the !ping commissioners command. That works in commissions, advertise yourself, and NSFW advertise yourself. That wasn't the smartest move. Gonna cut that one. I clicked the channel I shouldn't have. My bad. We'll try it in the commissions role, and we'll demonstrate it. So just post the command, hit enter, ping commissioner, and then finish. And that's how that works. Alright, that's kind of the end of it here. Well, thanks. Hope you find this useful. And above all, don't break a vase.